2023 proved a mixed bag for Malayalam cinema, echoing some of the hurdles faced by other South Indian industries like Tollywood. Yet, amidst the challenges, several Malayalam films emerged as bona fide hits, conquering the box office and now gracing our streaming screens. From the record-smashing L2, Empuran to other critical and commercial darlings, here are 5 of the top-grossing Malayalam movies of the year, now readily available for your viewing pleasure. 5 Malayalam hits now streaming. 2023 saw a wave of Malayalam film releases, but only a handful achieved true success. While the industry continues to navigate challenges similar to last year, several films have bucked the trend, becoming box office hits and now finding a new audience on streaming platforms. Here are 5 of the highest-grossing Malayalam films of the year, now available to stream, including the record-breaking L2, Empuran starring Mohanlal and Prithviraj Sukumaran. This action-packed thriller smashed records to become the highest-grossing Malayalam film, earning ₹268 crore worldwide. Stream it now on JioCinema, also available in Telugu. Vekachiram. This gripping crime thriller, starring Asif Ali and Anaswara Rajan, captivated audiences and earned ₹57.3 crore at the box office. The story follows a police officer investigating the decades-old murder of a young woman. Catch it on Sony Live. Officer on Duty starring Kunchakko Boban. This suspenseful thriller follows the unraveling of a series of young women's suicides, all stemming from a seemingly minor case of chain snatching. The film earned ₹50 crore at the box office and is now streaming on Netflix. Ponniyin Selvan. This hit film, starring Basil Joseph, tells the story of a man who lends gold jewelry for weddings and the extreme measures he takes to recover his dues after a partial repayment. Ponniyin Selvan earned ₹18.3 crore in theatres and is available to stream on JioCinema. Identity. Starring Tovino Thomas and Trisha, this murder mystery weaves together the perspectives of a police officer, a journalist, and a sketch artist. The film earned ₹18 crore at the box office and can now be streamed on ZEE5. These 5 films represent some of the best of Malayalam cinema in 2023, showcasing a range of genres and compelling narratives. Enjoy them now on your favorite streaming platforms. From gripping thrillers to heartwarming dramas, 2023 has been a stellar year for Malayalam cinema. With these 5 gems now readily available, audiences can experience the magic from the comfort of their homes. This is just a glimpse of the brilliance we can expect in the years to come, cementing Malayalam cinema's place on the global stage.